Hey guys, so finally we are at the end of the English assignment and today we'll be doing question number 5b, correct? And 5b first letter which you need to write, it's about the importance of water, right? So we'll start writing as first one. Dear Anuj, hope you are doing good. I came to write this letter to tell you about how we had been trying to save the water. Water is life, and we have been successful in the prevention of wastage of water. In school, we have decreased the usage of water for the daily activities. At home, reusage of water for daily activities has reduced the wastage of water. Water makes up our life, and so we should not waste it. I hope you would agree with this thought. Hope to see you soon. Convey my regards to your parents and love to Ayush with lots of love, Anmol. Now we'll see the second letter, and in the second letter, you are telling your friend that you have succeeded, you have just come first in the examination. So, congratulations for that, right? So, we'll start writing like this. Dear Anuj, how are you? Hope you are fine. Hearty congratulations to you on your standing first at the final examination. I am so happy for you. You have been working so hard since the beginning. You deserve the first rank and you have achieved it with your complete dedication and hard work. I hope uncle and aunt will be proud of you. I will come in the holidays and we will enjoy your success together. See you soon. Give my regards to uncle and aunt. Your loving friend Ayansh. Right? Now we'll see the third letter. In the third letter, you need to write an application for leave to your class teacher. So we'll start writing like this. To the class teacher, Bluebell School, Goa. Respected ma'am, subject, application for leave. I am Ayan Sheikh, studying in 6th standard in your class. I wanted a leave for 3 days from 18th November to 20th November as I have to go out with my family to visit a function in Mumbai. I will not be able to attend the class for 3 days, but I assure you I will compensate for the loss after I come back. So kindly grant me a leave for 3 days, thanking you in advance. Your obediently, Ayan Sheikh. And now we will be continuing with question number 5b, that is fourth question. So we'll start writing like this. Dear Ayansh, I hope you're enjoying yourself. Though I am writing this letter to attract your attention to the serious issue of importance of water and why we should conserve water. We have started water conservation techniques and are dedicated to not wasting any amount of water. Moreover, I want to convey this message that you should also begin with the conservation of water in order to avoid any critical situation such as ours. I am ending my letter with the hope that you will give some serious thoughts to my content. Give my regards to your parents and love to Ayush, your friend Arman. Now, we'll continue with question number 5c, that is, you need to write a paragraph on the given topics. And the first topic is how you made the celebration of your birthday colorful. So, we'll write the paragraph like this. We'll start the paragraph like this. Birthday means party, and like every other year, I had planned one this year too. I had invited all my friends and my favorite uncle and aunt. I remember how cold it was on my last birthday. All my friends had come over and we had a large gathering. We played many games like passing the parcel and musical chairs. Mohit played two songs on his guitar. I received many gifts on that day. After all the singing and dancing, we sat down to eat. Of course, there was my birthday cake, which everyone liked very much. We also had lots of sweets and soft drinks. I always have so much fun on my birthday, so I eagerly wait for it every year. Done. Now we'll see the second paragraph, that is on the topic an extinct animal, dinosaurs. So we'll write something about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are a group of dinosaurs are a diverse group of reptiles of the clade Dinosauria. They first appeared during the Triassic period. Dinosaurs were the main animals on Earth for more than 150 million years. They were lizard like reptiles. Some of them were the largest and scariest creatures that ever walked on land. The word dinosaur comes from Greek words meaning terrible lizard. The last dinosaur became extinct or died out about 65.5 million years ago. Now we'll continue with the third topic, that is save the environment. Our natural environment and surrounding provides us with e- everything that we ever need. We get air, water, food, and everything else from the environment. We should save the environment because, first one, the continuous emission of carbon dioxide by thermal power generating units is the leading cause for the surge in greenhouse gases. Second one, if the natural resources such as oil, coal, etc. are used, one day the world may fall short of these resources. Third one, high level of environment pollution is detrimental for human and animal health. That is why we should try to save the environment. And now we'll continue with the fourth topic, that is inventions of 21st century. The start of the 21st century was met with fear and unknowns. The inventions from previous decades finally took off in the 21st century. Let's have a look at some of the inventions from the 21st century. From that, first one is social media. Tools like Friendster and MySpace entered the scene in 2002 and 2003, respectively. Second one, multi use rockets. It was in 2017 when SpaceX became the first to use one of these rockets for a mission. Third one, the capsule endoscopy. It was first used in 2001. Fourth one is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And the fifth one will be 3D printing, etc. So all these things were the inventions of 21st century. Now the last topic, that is the dream of my life. So we'll start writing like this. Dreams are necessary, but when you have the desire to fulfill it, your you dream big with all your heart. I aspire to become a famous writer and write and publish a novel. When I grow up, I wish to become a writer because I am extremely passionate about writing. Whenever I am free, I compose poems, essays, or even try to write some stories. I want to become a freelance writer and want to contribute it in many fields. I hope you have all understood the complete assignment of English, and this was the last topic which we have completed, and thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.